What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with my XJB 145 from HGLRC, and I still have these 3-inch Nazgul props on here, 61 pitch. And my purpose out here today is to test out this new battery that I got from Crazepony-Power, and it's a GnB 450 milliamp hour 3S battery. I know you're probably thinking, wait a minute, the XJB 145 is a little too powerful for this thing. Well, it seems like it would be, but I've been flying this with the 550 milliamp hour 3S battery from GnB, and it holds up. So I'm hoping that this will do the same. It's a 450 milliamp hour as opposed to the 550, but what the heck, should still have the same integrity. Same company and all, but let's make sure this thing barely fits in the battery strap. It's so small. So we got it latched on. Let's make sure everything is okay. Okay, now let's plug it in. We're really putting this thing through a test. So let's check it out. So let's do a punch out. I imagine that since it's light, the punch out should still be nice. And the punch out is great. And it didn't fall on me, it didn't die. So let's do some FPV with it. So it's reading 11.1. So this battery seems like it's awesome too. We're at 11 volts, 11.1. Let's test the distance. This receiver here. Reading 10.9 volts. This quad is awesome. Okay, we're at 10.7 volts. .5 volts. So I think we've seen enough. And that's the end of the battery. So the battery did hold out. Our lowest voltage reading was 9 volts. And so seems like a pretty nice battery. An awesome battery if you ask me. The GnB 450 milliamp hour 3S battery from Crazepony-Power on Amazon. Thanks for watching.